All right, so you learned journaling, emotional triggers, how to analyze your past trades. Now you need to have a finish line or checkpoints you're going towards. Not so much the finish line like you're done forever, but in this little race of improvement right now in your trading, where is that end goal before you go to that next race? So that's what I mean when I say set finish lines. So one of the most valuable aspects of journaling and trading is the ability to set and track your progress toward goals. Again, in our journal, we have weekly, monthly goals and quarterly goals and percentages, risk management. You could keep track of your totals, right? So all that is built in there to help you define your goals, but also have areas to reflect and see if you did make your goals. And then you can reflect on your daily journals if you didn't make your weekly goal or what was going on in the days of that week. And maybe you could understand some patterns that way. So you want to be clear, specific, and have them measurable. So you're not just, I want to trade 5 days this week. Well, it's not a great goal, right? You could say, I want to trade every time I set up forms this week, and I think I can make 3% in profit, right? You're clear, you're specific, and you have something to measure that 3% in profit. So you could add up all your days or all your trades at the end of the week. Did you hit your percentage that you had for that week? And then you could add your weekly percentages, see if you're going to start adding up to your monthly objectives. So in addition to setting goals, it is important to set intentions for your trading. This identifies your values, priorities, and overall vision for your trading journey. So before I go into a trade, when I'm doing my markups and stuff, right before I switch over to my Ninja Trader to, be active and get ready for an actual trade, my intentions are I am going to manage this money. I'm going to focus on making sure my risk management is as low as possible. What does that mean? I'm taking partials. I'm scaling out of trades as it goes to my take profit area. Sure, it's less money overall, but I'll tell you this, it's a lot more consistent money. And for me emotionally, I would rather take consistently smaller amounts of profits than have a few big trades a week and a lot of little losses. Um, for me emotionally, I could handle that slow compound. I'm perfectly fine with that, and that's who I am as a trader. I figured that out, and I'm sticking to what works with me. Because when I was trying to hit those, 1.5, 1.6, 1.10, 1.15 risk rewards, um, that's when I had some good profits. But because I had too big of a profit, price went against me and hit my stop loss many times. And it's just not my type of trader. It wore me out and made me become emotional. And I only found this through my journaling. I've been journaling for about 2 years now. This is my first time using my own journal, and I like it so much easier to set up. I'm not constantly drawing out the grids and all that stuff. So very happy I made that journal, and it's basically I built it off of my system, something I'm gonna continue to use. And if there's any adjustments, I'll make different versions and release version 2 or 3 out to you all. Tying it back together though, by having these goals and intentions, you're going to feel like you have a sense of purpose. You have direction in your trading. You're not lost. You're not guessing. You're here to do a job. You're going to work your job, and then you're going to clock out of your job and you're going to go back to life, right? The only thing different with trading is once you become good at it, you literally could work for a few hours and make more money than what you had at your job working all day long. So that is what I want for all you guys. That is something that took me 8 years out of my 10 years trading to get to a point where I could be profitable. And I'm hoping I give you everything I got and guide you to find your trade. And I guide you with everything I got, and we can get you to find your trading edge in the markets quicker and get you on that path to consistency much faster than I did myself.